Success isn't a destination, it's a journey. But let's be real, along the way, it's easy to feel overwhelmed, lose focus, or forget to care for yourself. That's why, in today's video, we're diving deep into simplifying it all. Setting goals that stick, managing stress like a pro, and building a foundation of wellness for long-term success. Are you ready to level up your life? Let's dive in. It all starts with setting the right goals. But not just any goals, smart goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's why this matters. Vague goals like get healthier or be successful don't give you a clear direction or path forward. Instead, let's take a more precise approach. For example, instead of saying, I want to get in shape, try this. I want to lose 10 pounds by eating clean and exercising 3 times a week for the next 3 months. It's specific, measurable, and actionable. Even better, align these goals with your personal values and passions. Ask yourself, why is this goal important to me? Creating a strong emotional connection keeps you motivated, even when challenges arise. Break those big goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Think of these as milestones. Every milestone you hit is a moment worth celebrating. These little wins fuel your momentum and remind you how far you've come. Now, take a moment to visualize your success. Close your eyes. What does your life look like when you've achieved that goal? How do you feel? Visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's a proven technique to program your mind for success. So dream big, but remember to plan smart. While you're on this path, don't underestimate the power of writing things down. A goal in your head is a wish. A goal on paper is a plan. Journaling your progress and ideas can help you stay organized and focused. Plus, it's a great way to track how far you've come and identify what's working or what needs adjustment. Next, let's tackle stress, the silent killer of dreams. It doesn't have to control you. First, identify your triggers. Is it time management? Perfectionism? Maybe it's overcommitting or the fear of failure. Once you pinpoint the source, you can take targeted action. One powerful stress-busting tool is mindfulness. Just 5 minutes of mindfulness a day can do wonders. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold it for 4, and exhale for 6. Repeat. This simple practice calms your nervous system and helps you approach challenges with clarity. Another game changer? Time blocking. It's like budgeting your time the way you'd budget money. Dedicate blocks of your day to specific tasks: work, exercise, family time, and, most importantly, rest. Here's the best part. When you time block, you also give yourself permission to relax without guilt. No more working until burnout or letting work bleed into your personal life. And here's a bonus tip. Learn to say no. You don't have to do everything. Setting boundaries is one of the most liberating things you can do for your mental health. Remember, every time you say no to something unimportant, you're saying yes to what truly matters. Stress also thrives when we forget to laugh and have fun. Sometimes, the best way to tackle a tough day is to inject a little humor or do something you genuinely enjoy. Whether it's watching a funny video, dancing to your favorite song, or playing a game, joy is a powerful antidote to stress. Now, let's talk about wellness. Without it, success loses its shine. Wellness is the foundation that holds your goals and dreams together. And no, you don't need to overhaul your entire lifestyle overnight. Start small. Drink an extra glass of water daily. Go for a short walk after lunch. Begin a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for each evening. These little habits might seem insignificant, but over time, they compound into major results. Think of them as tiny investments in your future self. And don't underestimate the power of sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a necessity. It fuels your creativity, your decision-making, and your overall energy. Let's not forget emotional wellness. Practicing gratitude can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Connecting with others, whether through meaningful conversations or spending quality time with loved ones, grounds you in the present. It's all about balance. Another key part of wellness is movement. You don't have to run a marathon or hit the gym for hours. Simply stretching, taking the stairs, or doing a quick yoga session can make a huge difference in how you feel. Movement energizes your body and clears your mind, setting the stage for better focus and productivity. Your journey to success doesn't have to be complicated. Set meaningful goals, manage stress effectively, and prioritize your wellness. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Success isn't about rushing to the finish line. It's about enjoying the ride and growing along the way. Now, here's a challenge for you. What's one step you can take today to move closer to your goals? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more self-improvement tips, and share it with someone who needs a little motivation today. Your success starts here.